ingoa tō tāko ni ka sione tō antai. Koe tō tāni une hanga o toka ngai, ai tā wha ki tō whunga pia ko wholoro e hau. Pia koe wha ame ki ka hau, ke ua na ngata pe i he teke whanau i he tā wha ki wha. E aru i tā wha ki he walo ke CV, ka ku mahuinga pe ke ai ni i kakai whanua ke naulanga e whanua. Aha o na tula, pia koe ia ku wala mai kau tāko ni Habitat o na o mai ki tokoni e kakai e whanua. Ke toi mauangi ha e kakai e whanua ha toi iwi la. Mua toi moe moi uk toi ki i whakalakalakang ki mua.
At TIST.
So today we're going to help the team to build the frames and trusses and share most of the knowledge we can.
Yeah, we're building.
Hi, my name is Melenaite Hakamoto and this is my first year in TIST and I'm studying to be a carpenter. Growing up, like watching my grandma and my dad, they were carpentries. It just gave me like the passions and stuff like to like it. Like just when I be like them.
Since tsunami came, we have lots of building collapse. So carpentry is the only way to rebuild. We build our country in the villages so the people may stay there in safety.
It's so great working with you guys, learning some new skills and new things.
We have found brothers that we didn't know that our mothers had.